Hello dear children, today Auntie Annie is going to show you all a fun activity which you can do with the numbers, right? So you all can see Auntie has arranged these buttons according to the number order, and we have placed here a few numbers. So what you are going to do is you are going to count the buttons and you have to place this number. Then we are going to write the number on this paper. Okay, are you all ready? Let's do it. You count this button now. How many buttons are there? One. Where is number 1 here? Right, you place number 1 here. Right. Do you all know how to write number 1? Right, watch me carefully how to write number 1. Like this, just a straight line. Right. We'll place this number 1 there, under that button. Okay, can you place this? Right, very good. How many buttons are here?
2.
Count 1, 2. Where is number 2 here? Right, place number 2 there. Right, let's write number 2 on the paper. Do you all know how to write number 2 nicely? Look at here. Right, number 2. Right. We'll place this paper under these 2 buttons. Right. How many buttons are here? Count the buttons.
1, 2, 3.
Right. Where is number 3 now? Right. Let's write number 3 now. Watch me carefully how to write number 3. Right. Place number 3 there. Right. Can you count the buttons? How many buttons are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right. There are 4 buttons. Where is number 4 here? Right. We place number 4 there. Now we'll write number 4 here. Right, how to write number 4? Like this, we are writing number 4. Right, we'll take out this paper and paste it there. Right, shall we count how many buttons are here? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Right, where is number 5 now? Right, we'll write number 5. Watch me carefully how to write number 5. Right, we'll take out this paper and paste under number 5. Right, shall we count how many buttons are here now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Right, where is number 6? Right, watch me carefully how to write number 6. Right, we'll paste this number 6 under these buttons. Can you count how many buttons are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Right, where is number 7 now? Right, let's write number 7. How to write number 7? Right, like this. Okay, we'll place number 7 under these buttons now. Can you count how many buttons are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Right, where is number 8 now? Okay, let's write number 8. Right, take out that paper and paste it there. Right, can you count how many buttons are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Right, where is number 9 now? Right, let's write number 9. Place number 9 now. Right. Can you count how many buttons are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Right. Where is number 10? Right. Let's write number 10 here. 1 and 0. Right. Place number 10 under these buttons now. Right. You all also try to do this game at home and send me some pictures. Bye.